To calculate HDFC Bank NRI account details, follow these steps. First, determine the type of account you have, whether it is a non-resident external or non-resident ordinary account. Next, identify the interest rate applicable to your account, which can be found on the HDFC Bank website or by contacting customer service. Calculate the interest earned on your account by multiplying the principal amount by the interest rate and the time period. For example, if you have a principal amount of $100,000 and an interest rate of 4% per annum, the interest earned in 1 year would be $4,000. Consider any fees or charges applicable to your account, such as maintenance fees or transaction fees. These fees can be found on the HDFC Bank website or by contacting customer service. Subtract these fees from the interest earned to get the net interest. To calculate the total balance in your account, add the principal amount and the net interest. For example, if the principal amount is $100,000 and the net interest is $3,500, the total balance would be $103,500. Keep in mind that interest rates and fees are subject to change, so it is essential to regularly review your account details and update your calculations accordingly. Additionally, consider consulting with a financial advisor or tax consultant to ensure you are meeting all tax and regulatory requirements. By following these steps, you can accurately calculate your HDFC Bank NRI account details and make informed decisions about your finances. Remember to stay up to date with any changes to interest rates and fees to ensure you are getting the most out of your account.